Hey friends, if you're decorating for Easter, I've got the perfect fake bake for you today. We're gonna make some fake deviled eggs. These will be super cute on a tiered tray or in your kitchen decor. So I'm gonna start out with this silicone mold. If you happen to have a deviled egg tray that has the egg size openings the right shape, then that would be perfect. I didn't have one of those, but I do have this silicone mold, so I figured I'll use what I have. Also gonna use some foam clay. So we'll just need to condition our foam clay and get it nice and pliable. So I'm just going to take one ball of my clay and put it into one of the molds. So you want to push it in really well and make sure that it gets all the way to fill the cavity. And then I'm just going to pull off any excess. Now for the top of this, we want it to be really nice and smooth because, you know, when you make deviled eggs, they're cut with a knife. So we want this to be as smooth as possible and as flat as possible. And then I'm just going to pop this out of the mold. And then just touch up anything that's kind of sticking out or anything like that. And smooth out any wrinkles. And then I also just want to make an indentation here. You can do this while it's still in the mold, and that might be easier for you. This is just where the yolk would have been and where we're going to put the filling. Okay, so before we can do anything else, we're going to need to let these dry at least overnight, maybe longer. You'll just have to check and see. They just need to be dry to the touch at least. So I've let my egg whites dry, and now I'm just going to go over those with a coat of gloss Mod Podge just to make them look realistic. And now I'm just going to set these aside and let them dry for a couple minutes while we get the egg yolks mixture ready. So to do the egg yolks, we're going to use some lightweight spackling. And then I'm going to add some of this apple barrel yellow. And then also a little classic caramel. This is going to kind of give it that more realistic egg yolk color. Just a little bit of that though. And we may have to add more paint, but we'll see once we start mixing. I'm gonna add just a touch more of the classic caramel just to kind of tone it down a little bit. And I think that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna use my 2D piping tip. You can use any piping tip you want. So I just have my piping tip inside of my piping bag. I'm going to mark right below where the lines are on the tip, and then I can just cut that off right at that spot. And now I'll load my egg yolk mixture into my piping bag, and then we're just going to pipe this in. You can do it any kind of design that you like. And then there's usually paprika sprinkled on top, so you could use cinnamon if you want. I'm going to use a chalk pastel, and so I'm just going to shave a little of this off with a knife. These would be so cute on a tiered tray or in your kitchen for an Easter decoration. I don't know about you guys, but we always have deviled eggs at our Easter party, so I think this is a really cute decoration if you want some realistic looking food. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for crafting with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.